morning, boys and girls. Can you believe it? It's already April. April Fool's Day. But the show must go on. We still have school. It's not all fun and games when you are sheltered in place, is it? But I know that if we work together, we can get through this. So hold on tight and work with me and do your lessons every day. Okay? Today we're going to do phonics lesson number 147. And I know we've been learning about adjectives, adverbs, nouns, subject, verbs. And if you're like me, I need a little help to remember which is which. Okay? For example, we have adjectives and adverbs. And I know that when I was younger, I'd always say, I always got them mixed up. I didn't know what was the adjective. It goes with the verb or subject. The verb, does it go with the adverb, does it go with the verb or subject? I couldn't remember, but here's something that might be helpful to you. Adverb always goes with the verb. Because look at this. Adverb has the word verb, and the verb has the word verb. So they match up. Adverbs describes the verb. Okay. An adjective, subject. Subject has this syllable, ject. An adjective has it too. Isn't that cool? So now you don't have to figure it out too much. Adverb goes with the verb. They both have verb. And adjective has subject. I hope that helped. It helps me. Okay, let's look at your worksheet. Number 1 and 2 I will not do with you, but I will explain it. Number 1 says write an adverb for each verb. So you have a list of 3 verbs. Write an adverb, to describe how the action is done. Pause the video and do it by yourself. Number 2 says, write an adjective for each noun. You have 3 nouns listed. Remember, an adjective answers the question, what kind of or how many. Pause the video and write your answers. Good job. Okay, number 3 is a little, well, it's not really complicated, but let me walk you through it. It says read each word. Write an adjective to describe each noun. Write an adverb to describe each verb. I think the important thing here is to identify whether your word is a verb or a noun. Let's look at the first one. Kittens. Noun, verb. It's a noun. Write your adjective. Okay? Got it? Let's look through all the words and then you can pause and do your answers by yourself. Mom. It's a noun. Singing. Verb. Worked. Verb. Okay. Now, write your own adverbs and adjectives. Pause the video. Great job. All right. Next part is number 4. I've written the words here, the sentences here. Your direction says read the sentences. Underline the verbs 2 times and circle the adverbs. Draw a small arrow from each adverb to the verb it describes. We did a little bit of this yesterday, so we're going to do it again today. Okay, first, let's look for the verbs. Thomas writes neatly. The verb is writes. Underline it twice. The adverb, or whatever describes the verb, is neatly. Then draw an arrow to the verb. Okay. Second sentence says, Lucy swiftly walked to the office. Okay. What is the action word? Verb is walked. And how is it described? What's the adverb? Swiftly. and draw an arrow to the verb. Pause the video and do the last two by yourself. Are you done? Good. I will show you what I will do with my last two sentences and see if it matches with what you did on yours. Diligently, Eli practiced the piano. What is the verb? Yes, practiced. How did he practice? What is the adverb? Diligently. Is that what you did? Good job. Last sentence is, Mom smiled at Caleb kindly. The action word or verb is smiled. And how did he smile? Or how did she smile? Kindly. Don't forget your arrow. There. I hope you got those right. Now let's work on dictation. There are two sentences. Listen carefully. I saw a mule on the trail. I saw a mule on the trail. Pause the video. Second sentence, we hiked a mile. We hiked a mile. Check your sentences. Make sure you started with a capital and ended with a punctuation mark. Good job. I'll see you tomorrow.